Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is something a little bit different because this box that was gifted to the channel was sent by a fellow Floridian who, when I saw the website and they reached out to me on Instagram, and I said, definitely, you know, you're a new business. I would love to be able to tell people about your box because the concept behind it is something that I could definitely stand behind. And it is one that I think is really, really cute. What I also liked about it is she had different levels of these bags or boxes, and as well as she has it all set up so that the price points are all at different levels. When I saw this, I thought, what a great idea to not only I'll reach you a little bit about the concept, but it was such a great idea because we had some family members that were, you know, in the hospital and things like that. And I was putting together, I don't like sending flowers or anything like that. I like putting together boxes that are, or baskets at that point, that were filled with some goodies, some things that will make them feel better, a book, things like that. And I really think based on when I opened this up, because on my channel, what I do is I always open up everything prior to check and see what's inside, make sure everything's in good condition. And then I take a picture for my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out. It's True Wants with the number 2. And when I was starting to take everything out, it brought me right back to when I used to do these little types of gifts. So this is nice to keep in mind of this business because it is a brand new one, that it's not so much a subscription box, because what she says in her website is that it is really these mystery boxes that she puts together some items, and she buys, it sounds like 100 pieces of a bunch of things, and then she puts these boxes together, and then she can switch them up and things like that. So it's really a really nice box, but it's a little bit different than what you would normally see on my channel. So this one here came in this box. It also came wrapped in another paper over it, so that when you got it, you were able to take that out and the box would be in absolute, you know, pristine condition. Inside here, it says it's called the Red Box of Wellness, and this one is her self-love in a mystery box. And when you opened it up, it came with the tissue paper and the crinklies and a little card on the inside too. And then she had some other information here in reference to it. And her little information on the back is pretty much saying, even though this box is called Wellness, everything in here is not things that you would think of as a healthy box. There's some treats in here, some things to keep you warm and cuddly. You'll see when we go through all the items. So she's pretty much explaining on the back of this what she considers wellness to be. It's more of giving and the peace of mind and giving somebody the emotional comfort through different types of things. Like I said, you'll see when I go through some of the items in here, why I think she wrote that on the card. And then she has another little card in here that says, reach for the stars, you can do it. Then she has in here that she's on Facebook as well as Instagram, and she found me through Instagram. And then in here, it says, in a world where you can be anything, she's pushing to be compassionate. She also is part of a charity that is called the Compassionate Hearts United, and it helps them fight with food insecurity, animal neglect, homelessness, educational equality, and mental health stigma. And there is a website there, which is a .org. So that's nice as well. And then simply a thank you in the card. And that's all it says. It says, enjoy your self-love box. And then she also wants you to know that 10% of the proceeds of this sale will be donated to the Compassionate Hearts United Foundation, which is what we just read about. And then you can visit them on that website. So what I wrote for myself before, not knowing, anything about this box, because it is one of those newer box, she very generously gave a code, which I will leave in the description box, that if you're interested in any of these boxes, the one that I'm going to be showing you today, I think is the most expensive one, which is the Self-Love Mystery Box. And that runs around $36.99. She has a mini one that she says runs around $19.99. And then she has a middle one that's called just Self-Love, which looks like it was just a bunch of snacks. And that one was around $15.99. So this one, what she wrote about this is she's saying these boxes are created by a female Army veteran and a retired Army wife, and is the founder and president of Compassionate Hearts United Foundation, which is the organization that she gives 10% of the proceeds to. It's a charity as a way of giving back to her community, and some of the proceeds of all her sales will also be donated to the same foundation, and a portion of the proceeds are in support of the care packages that are for military caregivers. So everything about this box is really, really nice of why she's doing it all. And then it simply says this about this box and how it works. It says, welcome to the world of self-care mystery boxes. These boxes are self-love boxes in each. Each one of these monthly boxes will be including a high quality product, carefully curated by experts in the field of mental health and life coaching. These boxes will leave you asking for more, and all the items included in the boxes will be guided toward helping women develop their own self-love persona. The boxes will be shipped on the 15th of each month, and the last day to order boxes to be included in the shipment for that day is the 15th. You will need to place no later than the 30th of each month. Any orders made after the 30th will be shipped on the 15th of the following month. She also mentions that if there's only 100 boxes will be created and shipped every month, and boxes contents will be different in every box. And then that was all the information that I was able to grab from her website. So let me show you what I mean by it not being a healthy box, because the first items that were in here were a bunch of goodies. The first one being, and this brought back such memories, was a few of these double bubble gums that are here. Another one was a cute lollipop with some lips on it. There was a package of Boom Chicka Boom Pops in here. Then she had a hand cream in here, a body lotion in here that is a rose scented plant essential oil with natural moisturizer body lotion. That's what this looks like here. And then there were a couple of packages of these cute M&Ms. Then when we started to get into some of the products that were in the box, the first one was a lavender scented body and earth bath bomb. It's a 3.5 ounce. Then she had in here this really cute heart, which is really great for stress management. These are things that we used to have all over the office. So this is always good to have, and this is always nice to put into a box. Then she put in a pair of really comfy socks. These are high quality socks, and the brand is called Made Just For You. And the material on this is 98% polyester and 2% spandex. And they're that material that as soon as you put it on, it feels like a comfy bathrobe. That's what these socks are. So they're a little bit more than an ankle sock. That's what they look like here. And then the next item that was in here is a bar of soap that came in one of these mesh bags, which are absolutely fantastic, that when your bars of soap get really small and you put these in these bags, you'll still be able to use the soap. But this soap is really beautiful as well, and that is what this bar looks like here. And this one says it is an Australian botanical soap. It is a goat's milk and soybean, and it is made with pure plant oils, and there's designs all around the edge of the soap. And that is what it looks like here. And like I said, it comes in this little bag that you're able to keep it in this bag if you want to, but I always use these type of bags when the bars of soap get really, really small. I put them all into one of these bags. So that's the next item here. And then the final item that is in this bag was a book. And this book is by Karen M. McManus, and she is the best-selling author of One of Us is Lying, but this one is Two Can Keep a Secret If One is Dead. So this is one of the reading books that she put in here. So always nice when you're giving a care box that you give on these so they can escape from their reality and get into a different one. So excited to have the opportunity to read this. Always love having a book in the summertime to escape from reality. So everything in this box, like I said, was sent to True Wants. it giving me an opportunity to share with you about this new box that is up and coming. This is also, she's part of Rakuten. So if this is a box that is of interest to you, don't forget we have that Rakuten link down below, that if you go onto Rakuten and sign up through my link, you will get $30 and I will get $30 as long as you spend $30 within the first 90 days of using the Rakuten link. And then once you do that, you go in and check out her box, which is the red box of wellness, which I'll have linked down below. And then you'll have my discount code that you will be able to get 20% off some of the boxes that she has in her website. So please share with me in the comments down below what you think about this box. I wish her a lot of luck in reference to this. It's very hard to come up with the ideas of what you want to do, and for the reasons and where she's giving the proceeds to, I think is absolutely fantastic. And I think there's something in here that somebody would really enjoy if they got this as a wellness offering box. All right, take care everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.